Welcome back, guys. Today, we're doing something a little bit crazy. You know Bugatti, right? The brand that makes cars so fast you feel like the world's moving in slow motion. Well, they've decided to build a motorhome. And not just any motorhome. This is the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, and I can promise you, you've never seen anything like it. Imagine this. You're pulling into a scenic overlook. The air is crisp. The sun is melting into the horizon. And behind you is a motorhome. So beautiful people are literally stopping mid-photo to turn their cameras toward you. It's not just a vehicle. It's a rolling piece of art. The front grille, that signature Bugatti horseshoe shape, bold and unapologetic. The body? Sculpted curves that look like they were poured into place by a master craftsman. The headlights? Sleek lines of LED light that almost wink at you when they come alive. It's low, wide, and somehow makes every other RV look like a cardboard box on wheels. Now here's where things get really fun. Under the skin, this thing is packing a hybrid powertrain that's all Bugatti. You've got a powerful combustion engine, paired with electric motors that don't just add efficiency, they add silence when you want it. Picture gliding through a pine. Forest road with nothing but the sound of birds and wind. Then, with a flick of your right foot, unleashing a burst of acceleration that pushes you back in your seat. And yes, it's off-road ready. Not, let's go climb Mount Everest ready, but adventurous ready. Adaptive suspension smooths out rough trails, and an elevation mode lifts the whole body for extra clearance. When the ground gets tricky, it's the kind of tech that makes you think, maybe tonight we park right on the beach. But here's the real jaw-dropper. Stepping inside, the door swings open and you're greeted by a warm wash of light and the soft scent of fresh leather. The floor under your feet feels solid, polished. The lounge? Wraparound seating so soft you practically sink into it, with stitching that looks like it was done by an artist, not a machine. Above you, a panoramic skylight floods the space with natural light in the day, and at night, gives you a front row seat to the stars. Move forward and the kitchen greets you. And trust me, calling it a kitchen feels like an understatement. The counters are smooth, cool to the touch, with hidden storage that clicks open silently. The induction cooktop sits flush with the surface, and there's a smart fridge that actually tracks your groceries and orders. Replacements when you're running low. Every drawer and cabinet feel precision engineered. No rattling, no wasted space. Then there's the bedroom. This isn't just a place to sleep. It's a private retreat. The bed adjusts in firmness at the touch of a button. The climate is individually controlled on each side, and the windows? With one press, they go from crystal clear to softly tinted. You can wake up to the sunrise over a mountain ridge, or sleep in complete darkness, even at noon. Even the bathroom feels decadent. Heated floors warm your feet, the rainfall shower wraps you in steam, and the fixtures shine like they've been polished by hand. It's the kind of place where you'd take your time, even if you were in a rush. And then, there's the drive. Compared to other high-end motorhomes, this doesn't feel like piloting a bus. It feels alive, connected. The steering is responsive, the cabin is quiet, and every mile you cover feels effortless. It's more like a private jet cockpit than a traditional RV driver's seat. Now, all of this, the style, the performance, the exclusivity, comes with a Bugatti price tag. We're talking somewhere between $3.5 and $4 million, depending on options. But here's the thing. This isn't for just anyone. This is for the kind of person who wants the freedom of the open road, but refuses to give up the luxury and thrill of a Bugatti. The kind of person who might take it from the French Riviera to the Swiss Alps in the same week. So, is it worth it? If you're in the market for something that turns every stop into an event, something that makes you feel just as excited about the journey as the destination, then yeah, The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome isn't just worth it. It might ruin you for every other motorhome out there. Because when Bugatti builds something, they don't just show up, they show up and change the game.